Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one trade with our strategy. I will explain you the setup in detail so that you can apply the same while trading. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart. As you can see, I'm trading over Euro US dollar pair and I'm analyzing 1 minute candlestick chart. We are going to take a 5-minute trade. So first of all, I will increase the time. This is binary option trading. This is not forex trading. In binary option trading, you have to anticipate which way the market will go for a selected period of time. Like I can expect that market will fall down for the next 5 minutes and it will close below the current location. Then I will select a lower option for a 5-minute time frame. So as you can see, first of all, let's analyze the chart. And if we go by the trend, it is kind of a ranging market on a bigger time frame, but on a minor scale, this is the uptrend and here it is consolidated market. So if we get a breakout in either direction, we can go for our trade. So first of all, I will draw some key levels. We'll start by drawing a trend support level, and this is our trend support level, and we'll go by a resistance as well. So this is our resistance. Now we have a will include the wick as well. So this is a descending triangle pattern, as you can see, and as you can see, market is moving in between, so we can't place any trade here, but we have to wait for a clear breakout, and once there is a clear breakout, we can go for a trade. So it is going to take some time. So what I will do, I'll just fast forward this video and we'll wait for the breakout in either direction, and once there is a breakout, we'll see if the price action is suggesting what the breakout is explaining, then we are going to take a trade with the confirmation. It is going to take some time, so I will just fast forward this video, and as soon as I take the trade, I will start explaining you the setup. So let's wait. So we got the breakout and I placed a 5-minute trade here. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. Now let's get back to the setup. So as you can see, first of all, I will remove everything so that the chart is clear. So when I opened this chart, market was somewhere around here. I analyzed the market trend. It was on a major scale. It was ranging market because this is the support zone and this is the resistance, and market is moving in between. The second thing which you will see here is that market formed an uptrend here. This was the uptrend because this is the low, this is the high, higher low, higher high. So this is an uptrend confirmation, but market was not able to hold on to this. I'm not sure about the reasons, but if you look here as well, you will find a head and shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. So again, this is a reversal pattern, which means that the trend on here is downtrend, or we can say that this is the retracement phase. Now as market formed an uptrend pattern here, uptrend price action here, I was not sure which way the market will go. So what I did, I just draw two levels. One is the support and another one is the resistance trend line. Together we got a symmetrical triangle pattern, but after that I switched a little bit and made it like this. So this was a descending triangle pattern on a perfect scale. So and we all know that descending triangle patterns works best when the market breaks in the downward direction, because Once there is a breakout, market will continue to fall furthermore according to the price action. This is the main concept behind the descending triangle pattern. So this was the uptrend pattern. Here I didn't took the trade. Here I waited for the market to break it completely. So it was the breakout candle. So the confirmation was it was a good candlestick pattern. We got a clear breakout. So we got two confirmation. The third thing which you guys have missed, I guess, is the price action. This is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, and as soon as market break, it created a lower low swing, which means that now the price action is downtrend, which means that market will continue its trend, which is downtrend. We got the breakout from a descending triangle pattern. We got a breakout from the support zone. Market also formed a price action that supposed that market should be falling furthermore in the downward direction. So altogether, these are the confirmation which I took into consideration: the breakout candle, the price action, and these are all the things that I noticed. Now, for some of you who will say that you have to wait for the market to retrace back and then you should take the trade, which means that most of the suggestions that I'm getting on the comment section is that I should wait for the retest. Now the problem with the retest is sometimes you will miss the opportunity. Like in this case, if I waited for the retest, the opportunities were gone. So let me help you with the solution. So you don't have to wait for the retest once there is a consolidation. In this phase, market was kind of consolidated. You can see the range was getting smaller and smaller, so there was a pressure in the market, and to release it, it has to move in a certain direction. The retest phase will happen when the market moves with proper price actions, like in this case, suppose this is the market. So you will see that this was the consolidation phase, this whole. So let me draw it properly. Okay. This was the consolidation phase. Now you have to include this one as well because this is a whole number. So this was the whole consolidation phase. Now market break here. Now if you look carefully, the consolidation phase, market was moving with a price action. This is the low, high, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it break, and then it formed the lower. I'm so sorry. This is the low, this is the high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and again higher high. Now when market moves with price action, it has to retrace back. But if market got consolidated and it is not moving with price action, you don't have to worry about the retest because it is not going to happen in most cases. Like in this case, if you have taken a 5-minute trade here, it will be 1 2 3 4 5. It was a winning trade. But if you have waited for the retest, it will again be a winning trade because market was moving with price action. Now let's move on to a consolidation phase where you will see that market will break and will move directly. Okay, like here. See. Okay, I will just make a trend line. Now this is a choppy market. This is the breakout. You take a 5-minute trade. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It was a winning trade. Although market reversed, but it was a winning trade. Because once you have the breakout after a situation in which market was not able to move properly, it is going to fall down strongly. And let's try to find more example. Like here, you will see. This is the support zone. And this is the resistance. Now market moves in this range for a very long period of time, and as soon as there is a breakout, you will not see retest. Now if you wait for the retest in such situation, you will ultimately going to miss the trading opportunity. So that's why if you find market consolidated, market moving without price action, then you should take the trade as soon as there is a breakout. Like in this case, you can see there was no retest at all and it was a clear trade. But if you have waited for the retest, it could be it was not worth waiting for that trading opportunity. So when you find market moving with price action, wait for the retest, otherwise just take the trade as soon as there is a breakout. And I hope that you have understand the concept. Now, I'm not saying this is a sure shot thing. Nothing works 100%, so sometimes you will lose too, but when you wait for the retest, in 50% of the cases you will going to, like, you will end up not taking any trade at all, and you will then regret it for waiting for the retest. So I will just advise you, wait for the, like, watch the price action. If the price action is proper, wait for the retest, otherwise just take the trade as soon as there is a breakout. So with this note, I will finish this trading session here. I hope that you have learned something new from this trading session. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.